In this video, we'll be discussing the block diagram. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. The block diagram is a concept used in probability, in mathematics and statistics. The block diagram is most times used when calculating the sample space of a coin. For example, if a coin is tossed, one coin, the sample space can be either head or tail will show up. For more on this, please subscribe to this channel. If two coins is tossed, we have something like this. The head, which is this, and the tail, and another head or tail. So this head tail represents one coin, this other head tail represents another coin. So if we combine them, we either get head head or head tail or tail head or tail tail. So our sample space will now be head will show up either, or head tail will show up, or tail head will show up, or tail will show up. So these are the possible outcomes if two coin is thrown. How about three coin? If you toss three coin. If three coin is tossed, we have two here already. So we can bring out these two, head tail, tail head, and tail. We also put another coin, head tail. So if you throw three coin, this is what you will get. How do we calculate for the sample space? Here, if you throw these three coins, it's either you get head, or head, tail will show up, or head, tail, or head, tail will show up, or tail, head, or tail, tail, or tail, head, or tail. So these are the possible outcomes you can get if three coins are tossed. Just like the tree diagram, this same concept explains the tree diagram. You also get the same sample space if you use the tree diagram. So our sample space will be head, tail, head, tail, tail, head, tail, tail, head, tail, tail, head, and tail. So these are the possible outcomes we can get if three coins are tossed. So for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.